nothing, bro.
Step out of the car.
All right.
Get out of the car.
I swear, I don't got
Get out of the car.
Well, what I got, I don't got nothing.
Deputies were dispatched to a late-night traffic stop, but the driver refused to fully comply. When officers approached, they spotted suspected cocaine scattered across his lap and face. He ignored repeated commands, attempted to conceal evidence, and was taken to the hospital before being booked into jail on multiple felony charges.
Stop the car! Hop out, bud.
What's going on?
I'm asking you how about the car. You took forever to pull over.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Give me the stick up.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
What do you mean why?
Man, I don't know. You talking about come out the car. For what?
Leslie, step out of the car.
You talking about step out the car? What I did, sir?
I'm telling you, Leslie, to step out of the car.
What I did, though?
I'm telling you to step out of the car.
What I did?
Leslie, step out of the car.
What I did?
Get out of the car.
But
I'm telling you to step out of the
but
car.
I'm saying, why you talking to me like that? I don't got nothing, bro.
Step out of the car.
Bro, I don't have nothing. Bro, what you doing?
Step out of the car.
Bro, I don't have nothing.
Step out of the car.
Bro, I don't have nothing, bro.
Step out of the car.
All right.
Get out of the car.
Bro, I swear, I don't got
Get out of the car.
Bro, what I got? I don't got nothing.
He just threw the bag on the
No, I
ground.
didn't. I don't
He's got
got
crack all over his lap.
Man, no, I don't.
Against the car.
Stop!
Against the car, you're gonna get tased.
Bro,
Put your hand behind your back.
nothing, bro.
Hand behind your back, now.
Put your hand behind your back. Do it
This is the
now.
last thing I'm gonna ask you.
I don't have
Put your right hand behind your back.
All right, bro.
If you pull away, you're gonna get tased.
All right, I'm not.
Give me the phone.
Hey, let go of the phone, you're gonna get tased. You pull away one more time and you're getting tased.
But what I did, sir? Man, come on, officer.
Do not quit.
All right, I'm not.
Look,
drinking.
hey, I'm not playing with you, man.
Man, I'm not doing
Stop
that,
turning around.
Sir, I'm not doing nothing, man. Man, officer,
He ate it all. He had it all in his mouth and he was chugging the drink. He had a thing of crack on his lap.
Man, no, I did not, sir.
Stay facing the car.
Sir, I don't got nothing in here, sir. Man, sir, I don't have
Hey,
nothing.
6, we have a mail security and clear channel. We do need another unit.
But what I did, bro, I ain't do nothing. Bro, man, Sergeant Weaver's what I did, sir. Man, I ain't do nothing.
Just 2 units.
Sir, I didn't do nothing, sir.
Can you hold on while I grab that bag?
But what bag, man?
You threw it right on the ground.
Listen, I got bags all over my car, bro. I didn't do nothing, Officer Weaver. Bro, I don't have crack in my car, bro. I
It's
swear
all
to God.
over you.
Bro, I don't have crack on me, bro.
You don't have crack on you? What's this, bro?
Bro, that is not crack, bro.
Meth?
No, that's nothing, bro.
Right, because you ate it all.
No, I did not.
Search him.
Bro, I
I need
don't
gloves.
have
Search
no
him
crack
good.
on me, bro.
Get him in a car. Yeah, you got gloves? He had it all over him and he had it all over his lap. The
No,
bag's
I
ripped
did
open.
not, bro, I didn't have no drugs on me, bro.
Okay. We're going to jail because we told you to get out of the car and you didn't get out of the car.
That's what I'm going to jail for?
Yep, you're going to jail.
Man, oh my God, sir, come
Plus
on.
all the.
All right, can I talk to you, sir?
Yeah, what? I'm listening. Huh? Call your girl for what? Hop on. Was that who you were on the phone with?
Huh? Yes, sir.
All right, well, she knows.
No, bro, that's
She was on the phone the whole time.
But that is not my girl, bro, the owner of the car.
Oh, okay. All right. I mean, well, we're going to take the car.
But,
We're going to seize the car for forfeiture.
So, okay, so.
Have a seat.
Can I talk to you, sir, please?
Yeah.
Put your feet up.
Put your feet up.
Come on, man.
I'll meet you there at the hospital. You can talk to me there if you want, or at the
Come
jail.
on, man.
Well, you gotta go, man. There's no.
So what, bro? So, bro, it ain't no drugs in my car, sir.
Because it's in your mouth, right? Okay.
Bro, I'm just saying.
We showed you all the tests, bro.
Bro, so.
It's your
come on,
spit. We
man.
tested your mouth. It's in
So,
your mouth.
but-
We tested
come
drugs
on,
in the
man.
car. It's in the car.
Bro, there's no drugs in the
Okay.
car.
All right. It's all on camera and it's all on test.
Bro, it's no drugs in the car.
Yeah, the little flakes that you missed when you were trying to eat it all.
Bro, no, I didn't, bro.
Like this little flake right here in your,
Bro,
in your beard.
come on, man.
All right.
So, bro, I don't have no drugs.
No, I haven't noticed.
As the situation escalates, deputies move in quickly, scanning the area and maintaining control of the scene. Commands are repeated as officers work to secure the suspect and ensure no evidence is lost, while additional units stand by.
Man, could you talk to me, please, sir? Please?
I don't know what's going on. I just got here. Okay.
Hey, homie, can you talk to me, please?
Are you sure you didn't eat nothing? Because your mouth is about as dry as it could be
Man,
right now.
I did not eat nothing. Bro, I did not eat nothing, bro. I swear to God, bro.
Let me see your mouth.
Come
Look
on,
at me.
man.
If you didn't eat nothing, let me see your mouth.
Sir, I did not eat nothing, bro.
Listen, no bullshit. If you ate something, we got to get you medical attention.
Bro, I did not eat nothing.
Hear me out. You have white powder all over your lips.
Bro, I did not eat shit, bro.
You have powder all over your lips.
Bro, I did not eat nothing, bro.
Then look at me and pick up your tongue.
Bro, I did not eat nothing, bro.
Okay, because you did.
Man, no, I did not, sir.
All right, get in the car. We're not going to do this.
Bro, what I'm going to jail for, sir?
Get in the car.
Oh, my God, bro. I don't have no drugs on me.
Well, yeah, because you ate it. Put your feet in.
No, I did not.
Leslie, put your feet in.
Man, please, sir,
Put your feet in.
Can I talk to my girl first?
Let me figure out what's going on. Put your feet in, and I'll turn the air up. Okay?
Oh, my God, man. Please, sir, man.
Put your feet in.
Oh, my God, bro. Why y'all taking me to jail, bro? Please.
Because he told you, put your feet in.
Man, hey.
Leslie,
bro,
you put your feet in right now. I'm telling you this.
Bro,
this
don't tase me, bro. Can I talk to my girl?
Put your feet in.
Oh, my God,
I'm not going to do this shit with you.
All the way.
Put your feet in.
All the way, sir.
Put your feet in.
Man, please, man. Bro, that is not milk, bro. Okay. Bro, I swear to God, that is not milk, bro.
You're under arrest.
For what? Officer Weaver?
Because we told you to get out of the car, you didn't get
Bro,
out of the car.
I ain't doing nothing though, sir.
We tell you to get out of the car, you get out of the car.
Oh my God, Sergeant Weaver, please, man.
No, Leslie, that's how it works.
Man,
if we tell you to get out of the car, you get out of the car.
Sergeant Weaver, please, sir, man. What I'm going to jail for?
You got a ripped open baggie.
Man, no, I didn't. Bro, I don't have no drugs on me. Bro, I don't have no drugs on me.
I'll get it back.
Man, Sergeant Weaver, I don't have no drugs on me, sir.
Because you ate them.
No, I did not. Bro, I did not eat no drugs, sir.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth, Leslie. Let me see. Open your mouth.
You got him for a second.
Yeah. Sir, I did not eat no drugs, sir.
Spread your legs a little bit more, Leslie.
Please,
spread your feet. Spread your legs a little bit more.
Sir, I did not. Oh, so I'm going to jail for what? Is this an arrest or something?
Yep.
Oh,
my God, you get out of the car, you didn't get out of the car. That's an arrestable offense.
Huh?
We told you to get out of the car, you didn't get out of the car. That's an arrestable offense.
Come on, Officer, please,
no,
man. I ain't
we had to physically remove you from the vehicle.
No, you did not. You opened my door.
Right.
Come on.
Be back on the car, Leslie.
So I'm going to jail for resisting arrest?
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Resisting arrest and all that stuff that's scattered all over your
bro, that's ashes and shit, bro.
It's not ashes, bro.
Oh my God, Sergeant Weaver, bro.
Yeah.
I did not.
You had a bag ripped open.
No, I did not, bro. I got bags all over my car.
All over his lap.
Man, I do not have no drugs on me, sir. Man, come on, can I talk to Officer Weaver?
No, let's go.
No, you gotta go, Leslie.
Why I got to go to jail, bro?
Yeah, what's up?
Oh, man.
Passenger, sorry.
Come on, man. Please don't. Come on, Weaver, man.
Try to go around. Is there any cross coming?
Oh my God. Oh, Weavers, come on, sir, man. Why I'm going to jail, bro?
Because he said he didn't get out of the car. Resisting.
Bro, I'm going to jail for no reason, bro. Bro, what I'm going to jail for, man?
Yeah, they slide up. I'll leave this for right now.
Oh, man.
That's crack.
Man, that's not crack, bro.
You got white spit?
Huh?
How you got white spit?
Bro, like, bro.
Hey, look at that. You see how blue that is?
Bro, that is not crack,
that's positive for cocaine. You see that, right?
Bro, how,
Leslie, you see this, right?
Bro,
I'm just telling
you. No cocaine.
Okay, do you see how bright blue it is all the way around?
Oh my God, bro, I did not
I'm telling you, what
no
color
cocaine.
is this? What color is that?
Blue.
Blue. That came out of your spit in the car.
I didn't have no cocaine.
You guys see all that blue, right?
Bro, I ain't have no cocaine. Oh my God, so you found cocaine on me, bro?
It's in your spit.
Bro.
Same drawer?
Open door, bro.
Yeah.
Leslie, come on. Seriously.
Bro, come on.
Still had chunks in the corner of his mouth that I got.
How I got chunks in the corner of my mouth?
But he was also not really letting me, so.
Bro, I don't got nothing in my mouth, bro. Y'all found something in my car?
Yeah.
Come on, man, look.
Open up.
All over your mouth. Look at you.
Man,
That's a powdered
nothing in my mouth,
donut.
bro.
Hold on.
I tried to get it right here.
Bro, it ain't nothing in my mouth, bro. Like, come on, bro.
It's all blue, bro. All in your mouth.
That was out the corner of your mouth.
That's all.
Bro, it ain't nothing, bro. Like, come on, man.
That's all from his beard?
Yeah.
So you found cocaine in
Can
my
you turn that
car?
inside out for us?
The suspect was charged with resisting arrest, possession of cocaine, and tampering with evidence.
What you mean, bro? It's all in my mouth, bro.
All right.